Hello everyone, this is Maula Samudra Bandar. We are coming from Borishal Textile Engineering College. Now me or him go to Sundarban Park. We are enjoyable moment with me, Zahed. Zahed, how are you today?
Yes,
Yeah.
sure. And firstly, thanks for the answer. Answer is my friend. Today I visit a new place. New place. This place name is Sundarban. Then I going to Tolar. Then I visit Sundarban. We see this near stoppage was very near, and I was really excited. And you look at this. Around my navel. Around my navel. This we see the
You know this is a beautiful river.
yes.
Are you interested in this river?
Sure, this is river is very interesting and very big size of river. We see that all around of water and water. And actually we discuss some things around the nearest stoppage, and I saw some new experience waiting for me and with my answer friend. That's all, and
Okay, thank you very much for your close attention.